Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm Mike and this is the next installment of Mike Learns FPV. Well, we're going to try flying the FPV drone, the TinyHawk 2, for the first time with the goggles. Never done it before, and we're going to be doing it on my patio because the wind's blowing and that little TinyHawk does not handle the wind at all, especially in 1S batteries. So we're going to give it a try and we'll see how we do. Since the goggles do not have DVR on them, I'm going to be using the Skydroid 5.8G dual receiver. And what that does, it picks up the video transmission from the drone and records it onto my phone, my Android phone, so I can use it later. So that's a pretty good deal. Okay, here we go. First time ever flying with FPV goggles. Again, I know this is really cramped, but wind is blowing, so I really don't have much of a choice. Yeah, that wasn't good. You get through it. You can do it. Yay, you did it. So that turned out pretty good. I think I did all right for first time. I think I'm going to have to get a simulator and do a lot more practicing with that, a lot more practicing with this. And like I said, I know this is a really cramped area in here. Like I said, the wind's blowing and can't really get outside to go anywhere. The next best thing is here on my patio. There you go. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And don't forget to click the bell for new content.